Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode here on the Hermitcraft Mesified server. I'm here with none other than my fellow Logfella, Ren the Dog, and Ren, we are due in court.
We are, man. Look at our threads. We are looking crazy handsome, X.
Absolutely snazzy. I'm not sure what we're needed in court for, but, you know, I think they're pretty much going to say thanks for all the logs, you know.
And well, they're going to say thanks for being such great guys, for all the logs, the glass, the redstone, the gold. I mean, yeah. You know, it's about time, if you ask me.
Yeah, we've been doing the Logfather's work for a long time, and I think we're about to receive some praise. But we are due over in the courthouse, like right now.
Yeah, we're a bit late, but let's get there as quick as we can, X.
Absolutely. What direction is it? Just somewhere up over there. Scar has built a lovely courthouse, and I believe some of the other hermits are there as well, Ren.
That's right. All ready to sing our praises, X. This is going to be great.
Yeah. Let's get over there, buddy. Awesome.
Joe, I've always wondered,
nice
are you Darwin's
brother?
We got this.
Yeah, every time I'm
Quiet in the courtroom.
I got some drinks.
Quiet.
Some drinks.
Everybody raise for the honorable judge. Good times with Scar.
Honorable.
Ladies and gentlemen, you may be seated.
Okay.
We are gathered here today in holy matrimony to bring these two couples. Oh, I'm sorry. That is my 5:30 appointment. Book of law. We are here for court case 001. Plot fellows have been brought forth on charges of great crimes against hermitkind.
Charges? What?
I was here for a dance party.
Yeah.
I'm here for.
Where's the party,
for a wedding, man.
You brought drinks.
ready to be rained upon with diamonds.
The jig is up, Logfellas. The jig is up.
State of Hermitcraft will be represented by the Cub fan of the Birchfellas. Our first charge in this is deforestation of the Hermit Mesa with neither permits nor any satisfaction. So we will now commence with evidence from the Wells Knight. Wells, will you now call your evidence and your witnesses to the stand?
I can't believe we're being charged.
Make me proud.
Yes, Your Honor. I would like to call to the stand Iskall as a witness.
Iskall.
Iskall, please step forward.
Take a drink. Take some apples.
Is it Iskall or Iskall? I've been saying Iskall.
I don't even know.
The official record does not know a
Be
reason.
careful, Wells. He's kind of shifty.
Oh.
Yeah,
Might have taken a bribe up here.
Are you sure about this? You sure about
Iskall
this?
of
I've got
85.
a diamond in his eye. Can you see that?
Let's see how it plays out. Yeah, let's do it, Wells.
Person in the world right now. Hi.
Iskall of 85, do you swear on the Book of Hermit to
Look at
speak
me. I'm
only
wearing
the
a
truth?
suit. I am so important. Sorry, what was that question?
Iskall of 85, do you swear to speak only the truth on the Book of Hermit?
Yeah.
Truth shall be told.
Yes, it shall.
The truth. You hear it, people.
We can only hope.
Tell us the truth, Iskall.
What is the
All right,
question?
Iskall. For the
Yes.
record, please state your name and place of residence.
My name is Iskall of the 85, and I live in the Mesa over there. You know, I'm not very good with addresses and math and stuff. I'm just here because I saw a lot of people here, and I just followed in.
You enjoying that wine, Iskall?
Yeah,
It's good, isn't it?
It's good. The wine is good. The wine is fantastic.
Some fruit juice.
Have you been drinking, Iskall?
No. Water. Yeah.
You don't drink wine to enjoy it, Wells. You smell it.
Every day, 4 liters.
He
Now,
looks so handsome.
do you remember an event in which there was some deforestation on the server?
Deforestation.
What even is that? Big word.
Big word, small brain.
No, I do not remember any such thing as deforestation. In fact, I guarantee there was no deforestation on this in
You
this
hear
world.
it? You hear it, peeps?
No deforestation whatsoever.
Now,
Deforestation is actually a pretty fancy word, Mr. Knight. I see you also have a suit. That's very cute. My tie is also red.
Your
have a
Honor, I
similar
have
tie.
no more questions for this witness. He's obviously...
Iskall, you may step down from the
been
stand if
bribed.
the defense has no further questions.
We have
Wells.
one question. I mean,
Yeah.
Mr. Iskall.
Yes.
What is your opinion on the Logfellas? You know, us people who provide amazing services for this community. I just want to know your opinion, you know?
I think you are fantastic. In fact, my entire base is built out of the blocks from the Logfellas.
You hear that? We
hear
help
that,
build
everybody?
bases.
The
Enough
service
said.
the service provided to all the people here has clearly made this world better. For sure. That's there's no argument whatsoever there.
That is the truth. You heard it from him.
Hey,
Yeah,
Zuma, you want some wine?
Rock,
Oh,
rock
yeah.
on! Rock! I
Rock,
don't
just
just
rock.
want to say-
Order in the court.
Here, have a
Does
wine.
the defense have any
thank you
more
so much.
questions for the witness?
That's beautiful.
The defense rests, Judge.
Let's
We will
rest.
now go to recess as we commence our next.
All right, everybody ready? We keep on going here. Order in the courtroom.
This courtroom is back in session. We are now moving to charge number 2 against the Logfellas. This is Sapling Gate. Now, the Sapling Gate is robbery of saplings from the hermit residence.
Robbery?
Robbery, breaking and entering, trespassing, and thievery. Those
Nice.
Wait,
All
is
truth.
robbery the same
All
as
truth.
burglary? Because it sounds more like burglary. Yeah, I'm thinking
Burglary.
burglary. Well, robbery too, maybe. No, maybe just burglary. I don't know.
Your face is a burger.
There are many terms. We could also use cab burglary if you would like. But Wells Knight, please present your evidence and your witnesses.
All right. This sapling, right here, Your Honor, that I hold in my hand, this is the first exhibit. This is Exhibit A. And this sapling will prove beyond any reasonable doubt that these vile individuals are guilty. Look at him striking me. Look at him insulting me.
Bailiff,
Anyway.
please return the defendants to their chairs.
I would like to call to the stand Python GB as a witness.
Woohoo! Go Python.
Hey, brother. Go for it, my man. You tell him how it is, Python.
Okay.
Hey, make it fair.
Oh,
make it
okay,
fair.
the stand's up here. Okay. What?
Truth
Okay.
and nothing but the truth, Python.
Hello. Hi.
Hey,
Python of
looking good up
GB,
there.
do you swear on the Book of Hermit to speak only the truths?
I shall speak only the truth.
Wells, you may proceed.
Thank you. Please state your name and place of residence for the record.
What a beautiful tie, Python. I really like the color, the
Oh, I
shade.
know, right?
It's
It is
beautiful. It's
brilliant, man.
It's
I'm pretty sure my name is Python BG of the Pink District. I don't know what's going on here, but
That's why it's
yeah, I mean, I quite like it up here.
All right, thank you for that.
Looking handsome up there, bro.
Do you recognize this?
Yeah,
I think he knows how to play Minecraft,
That's a
Wells.
diamond in your hand.
How many saplings am I holding up, Python?
3.
Cub fan, you've got me terrible witnesses here. Your Honor, I have no more questions for this witness.
We have a question, don't we, Ren?
You may proceed,
Yes,
fellows
Can
of the
you-
log.
Python, Mr. Python. I mean, you're in no way associated with the Logfellas. Can you just sort of tell everyone, you know, what you think of the Logfellas in general? How we're doing for the server?
Now that I've sewn it up and I've got no particles around me, I guess I'm okay to do that. Well, I can't say anything bad against the Logfellas. I really
right.
can't. I mean, the service they provide is just clearly the best in the land, and I don't see why anybody could possibly go ahead and talk against them.
Absolutely. I don't even know
objection.
why we're here, Scar. I don't even know why we're here. I'm going to sit in my seat and I'm going to enjoy my apples and I'm going to have some more sparkling water. Enough said. Thank you,
well,
Python.
Have some wine too. Thanks, buddy.
Objection,
You
Your
may
Honor.
step down from the stand. We
Where
will
did he
now be
go?
going. Bailiff, investigate this immediately.
What?
Where's Python?
Where's Python gone?
The witness has escaped.
What?
Oh,
Oh, well.
I will remind the witness that he is still under oath and on the stand. If I see any more witnesses or shenanigans in the gallery, you'll be held on contempt of court. We will now recess till we can sort out this business.
can't find him, my honor. All right. Order in the courtroom again. We continue.
Okay.
Sorry for the delay. I was in my chambers. And we will now commence with our next charge against the fellows of the log. We will be talking now about False and the corruption of Sheriff False of the server by the Logfellas. Wills Knight, can you present your evidence and your witnesses?
Yes, Your Honor, thank you. This is actually not. Never mind, not that one.
Doesn't know what he's doing.
Well, scratch
Doesn't know
that.
what he's
That's even
doing.
more
This-
evidence, but we
This
decided to
diamond,
ignore that, so yeah.
this diamond right
Oh, that
here,
fool.
and this log
It's the only diamond you'll ever earn because you won't get any. Boo!
That's my boy.
Order.
That's my boy.
A bit of order here.
These items were given to Sheriff, False Symmetry, an officer of the law, as a bribe.
What? No.
A bribe.
No. There's something in
as
this world
she
called
was-
tips, my friend.
Yeah,
You've
as
never
she was
earned any.
investigating the nefarious acts of the Logfellas. Right here, this log, provided by Rendog. There's video
Excuse me,
proof
bailiff,
and everything.
Bailiff, please return Mr. Rendog to his.
He's
rightful
sitting in his
spot.
seat. Are you blind?
I'm
Silly birch butt.
giving him a nice fine wine right there.
Order. Ren has been seated at all times in his seat. Cub, please remain silent.
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I would like to call Sheriff False Symmetry to the stand as a witness.
Oh, okay. Well,
Shiny. Thank you.
No problem, man.
here we go.
Hey, Zuma, you want some super
Sheriff
sparkly wine?
False,
Yes,
you swear on the Book of Hermit to speak only of the truths.
I do indeed.
Well, you may commence.
Thank you, Your
By
Honor.
the way, fantastic tie. Love the color.
Great.
Love the
Thanks.
goggles as well.
Please
I mean, it's not
state,
quite a tie, but sure.
Please state
Yeah.
your name and place of residence for the record.
I'm Sheriff False, and I'm from the Blue District.
Thank you. And did you ever investigate the Logfellas at any point?
I've investigated for them.
Investigated for, yes.
Yeah, that's
Did-
right.
Isn't it true that there were at one point police cars that you ordered parked outside of Rendog's Mesa home?
Isn't that a misunderstanding?
I've had many police
having a
cars
dinner
all
party.
over the server, just keeping it safe.
Keeping it safe, bro. West side.
West side.
I can already see this is going badly, Cub. I have no
Yeah.
more questions for this witness.
Oh, okay.
it-
Well,
No more questions.
Logfellas?
I wonder why that
Questions?
is.
If I may, Your Honor, take
You may.
take the floor. Hi, False. Looking
Hello.
great tonight. I just want to say, is it true that it was your birthday on the server a few weeks ago?
yeah. I remember now. Yes, it was.
And those beautiful earrings you're wearing right now, were those
Yeah.
a gift from the Logfellas at the time?
They were. They're lovely. I love them. They look great. People told me that I look wonderful. So they're pretty.
Objection, Your Honor. This is
No further
completely
questions.
irrelevant. These those a couple weeks ago when it was False's birthday, the events in question happened significantly before that.
I
Granted.
may have got the dates wrong, but you know,
We forget birthdays all the time. It's fine. I'm
we
sure.
forget
I'm sure.
birthdays.
Order. Logfellas, Ren of the Dog, have you commenced your finishing of your questions? Ooh, hello.
But I'm done with the witness. Thank you. And those are some great looking rocks you have there, Judge.
Well, I
You
think-
saw
Apple
nothing,
pie.
Ren of Dog. Please return to your seat immediately. We will now recess. After I've seen some shenanigans taking place in the gallery and with the witnesses, there are particle effects, drinking, and potential bribery. The bailiff will now investigate. We will go into recess.
Order in the courtroom. We continue. But, Judge, excuse me. I need to bring something up here. Look at that. It seems
What?
the Logfellas
Corruption.
are trying
What?
to
Traitor.
bribe
Traitor.
official.
Doc.
Excellent
This
job,
is
bailiff.
shocking. This is shocking. This court comes to order. This court comes to order. I had my bailiff investigate this, and
job,
we
bailiff.
have concluded that that there has been bribery. There has been potion drinking. We will not do any more of that, or this court will be.
Hey, this
in
is
contempt.
fizzy water, you.
Bleeding.
I've
Fizzy
got
water.
fruit juice.
We'll be now moving to our next charge against the Logfellas, and that is illegal land creation, bribery,
Illegal?
and corruption in the making of this land. Wells
And
Knight.
extortion.
And extortion.
Bit
Thank
of
you.
that too.
business.
Thank you,
That too.
Knight.
Good
Yeah,
business is what
they're
it is.
good lands. It's,
Your Honor, I would like to
Good
call
lads.
as a witness Iskall 85.
Okay.
Oh,
There goes
we
our
got
boy.
this. There
We
goes
got
our
this,
boy.
man. We got this.
We can totally play this.
Logfather
game
going to
too
be
well.
happy.
I like y'all are going to be well happy with this. Oh, yeah.
Here we go.
Oh,
Got a
man.
little something for you.
Wait till we tell that log
Wait,
father
is there a
Fizzy water,
log
man. Do you want
grandfather
these? Do you
too?
want
Make us
Order in the
proud.
court.
Like a
What is
log
taking place over at that
auntie?
lampshade?
Nothing, Your Honor.
nothing-
he just
nothing, Your Honor.
tripped and dropped a couple things.
Yep.
Okay.
I'll
Yeah,
clean up
fine.
now. All is good.
I just like to
Iskall?
point out that I'm wearing a suit that I'm clearly important. Look at me. Hi.
Iskall 85.
It's
It really goes with the diamond that's in your eye, man.
Yeah.
Iskall, you are the same Iskall that testified earlier. Is that correct?
That's our boy.
I ain't really good with math and stuff, but I think so, yeah.
All right, I would just remind you that you're still under oath. Isn't it true that you purchased or were attempting to purchase a plot of land from the Logfellas?
Yes. It was a terrible day.
Legitimate business.
Terrible.
What? Wait. What?
I was minding my own business. I was going to create for all the hermits the most fantastic story in the world. I was going to give away everything for free. But these corrupted fools,
What?
they made me pay for the land. They made me put up something that I didn't want to put up. They pressured me. They pressured me to pay them ham pie after ham pie. I worked day and night to cook them ham pies. I was stuck.
And isn't
Iskall-
it true that before you agreed on ham pies, they wanted to charge you a stack of diamond blocks?
Take your
for that
stinky
small
ham
plot
pies
of
back,
land?
Iskall. I don't want them.
Isn't
I don't
that
want
true?
any disgusting.
Order, please clean the courtroom.
This is true. They were completely outrageous with their demands. I cannot understand. I would like to sue the Logfellas here today because they caused so much pain to me. I couldn't sleep. I was gonna open this free shop for everybody, but I had to charge. I just had to charge for it because they told me to. And I had to give them all the profits in terms of ham pie. I was gonna sell that ham pie as good food to the hermits, but I had to bake it for them instead. For them corrupted people over there. Look at
Iskall,
And
the
furthermore,
Logfather will
before-
strike you. It will
The
strike you
Logfather
with
will not be
vengeance.
happy about this, Iskall.
Look at those.
Can I just ask, Scar, is it really okay to come to court without a tie? Look at that Exuma there.
What?
He doesn't even have a tie!
Iskall, you had the
got a
Logfather's
rose.
protection.
Furthermore, Iskall, isn't it true
outrageous.
that before they had given you an ample opportunity to come up with their fee, they attempted to extort you and threatened you
What?
with false
Yes.
symmetry as well, who is obviously corrupt and taking bribes?
Absolutely correct. And they also brought others. I remember it as being 61 people versus me. I stood there, they shot arrows at me, and it was terrible.
Lies.
Did you survive?
Lies.
I survived it only to tell the story today. Yes. I am a
sounds
master.
tragic.
PvP.
Ren, he clearly
Look
doesn't
at that.
fear
That
the wrath
sounds
of the
horrible.
Logfather.
Look at him
Excuse
shooting
me.
arrows now.
Your Honor.
Order in the court. Order in the court. There's been a rogue assassination attempt. We will come to order and resume.
Yeah, only orderly, assassination attempts here. This is civilization.
This is a court of hermit. That is true.
And Iskall, are you in any sort of therapy after this horrible attempt on your life?
I was hoping not to have to bring that up, but I go to the old chairs, I call it. Every Friday it's 4.
Iskall, do you need a tissue? Tissue,
Yeah,
Iskall?
He needs an arrow in his butt. Oh, sorry, Ren.
Quiet down,
I'm
Logfellas.
sorry.
it's pretty painful.
Iskall, do you
Every
need a moment?
Friday at 4, I go to the chair and I have to sit there and listen to Joe Hills. And he tells me that everything's gonna be all right. But I don't know. I demand justice.
Do you think your life will ever be the same?
Never. My mom tells me that it'll be just fine, but she's never been right about anything.
Can we cross-examine the witness, please?
You will
Thank
remain
you.
quiet, Azuma, till the have finished their questioning. Please
Thank
remain
you,
in your
Iskall.
chairs
I
at all
think-
times.
I
Well,
think
I
that
think-
stands as irrefutable proof of these events. I have no further questions.
I
Your
might
Honor,
have
I would
to
like to
report
dismiss
something.
the witness. I would like to
might
dismiss
have
the
to
witness on
report
the.
something.
Go ahead, Bailiff.
Yes, bailiff.
Yes. Since this incident, I had plenty of occasions playing PvP games with Iskall, and he's never been the man like he used to be. He had excellent PvP skills, now he literally sucks. And I think that is also related to this incident.
It is. I didn't want to admit it. But I went into the PvP ring versus the biggest noob of the server. Jumbo the spoon, and I lost.
Yep.
It's very
And
sad.
that is not funny. I
okay,
do
buddy.
not see this being a laughable
Wipe away the
thing.
tears. Wipe away the tears.
Quiet in the court. Defense. Azuma Z Void. Rendy Dog, do you wish to question the witness?
Iskall, I thought you were a friend. What's going on?
What's going on here, man?
Have you forgotten what the Logfather says?
I hate you guys. There is no Logfather. Screw you guys.
Irrelevant. Quiet down, Iskall. Bailiff, take Iskall off of the stand. Personal attacks.
One thing that's relevant for you guys may be relevant for me. Boo! I'm gonna sit over here now. I don't want to sit over there.
Hey,
Oh man,
Stab in the back, dude.
I know. Feel so low.
We will now bring the next witness, Wells Knight. Or have you concluded your proceedings?
I think I have one final witness to call, Your Honor. I would
would
like
it
to
be?
call, as an expert witness, Joe Hills.
East side. Yay!
East side? Oh. West side is the best side, Iskall. Come on now.
Come on now.
Joe Hills. Do you swear on the Book of Hermit to say only of the truths?
The only falsehoods here will be in the hearts of the accused.
Oh,
Very well put.
That's deep.
Good
I like this guy,
comments.
Wells. I like this guy.
I do too. I do too.
What's happening, Ren?
Please state your name and
Order in the
place of
court. Order in the
residence.
court. There were
went through this,
bribery diamonds on the ground. Bailiff, can you clean them, please? They were just around the sheriff there. Please
oh, those
clean
are my
them.
earrings. Those are my earrings. Sorry.
Nothing of
This.
He wears earrings.
Is everything fine, bailiff?
Looks clean.
Nerd.
You may resume, Wells of Night.
Please state your name and place of residence for the record.
Sure, my name is Joseph Hills. I have a Bachelor of Arts in American History from Vanderbilt University, and I currently reside in the Blue District.
And you are an expert in real estate, is that correct?
I am an expert in many things.
And what qualifications do you have to be an expert in Hermitcraft real estate?
I have been playing on the Hermitcraft server for several years and have owned much property, have shared much property, and have been involved in many property transactions.
Thank you. And would you say that the proper procedures were followed concerning this Logfellas scandal, as it's referred to?
Scandal? What? You're a scandal. Get out
The
of it.
face is a scandal.
The proper procedure of Hermitcraft is largely grounded in tradition. We have been playing together for years, and every year
I've been
it's
hit.
always been the same thing.
shot.
People can take
going down.
land, they can claim it, they say, this is mine, I'm going to build here. If someone else wants to build here later, hey, come let me know and we'll work something out. That's just how we've always done it.
And has there ever been, in all of your time on Hermitcraft, actually, how long have you been a member of the Hermitcraft server, Joe?
4 years.
4 years. And how long
Long
has the
time.
Hermitcraft server been in existence?
About 4.5 years.
So is it fair to say that you were one of the original members of the Hermitcraft server and have been on the server longer than almost anybody else here?
I would not say that I was the first round of server members, but I was the first of the second round of server members.
Of the people
I-
that remain on the server, would you
Of
say
the
that you
people
are?
in this room, I am one of the senior members.
Thank you. And
Senior.
in all of,
Old man. Boo.
and in all of your
Can't
time,
make it to
has
the back of my butt.
Do you have any more drinks?
Don't ruin this
man?
for us. Don't ruin this for us.
Yeah.
I'm gonna fall asleep, dude.
Order in the gallery.
and in all of your time on the server, has it ever been the custom to put profit and diamonds ahead of friendship?
Minecraft and Hermitcraft as an extension is a community experience that's not about profits crying out in the desert for diamonds. It's about friends joining hands and building something together. When nature strikes us down, when creepers blow us up, we reach out and we achieve as one. And this sort of behavior is divisive. It takes that one and it divides by 0, and that has a nulling effect on all of us. It hurts us all.
I puked
And
my
would you
mouth.
say that anyone who attempted to create land and then sell it for profits instead of giving it freely to friends would be detrimental to the server?
I objection.
Granted.
Wells Knight, do you have a shop on the server?
I do.
Are you going to give all those items to your friends, or are you going to sell them for diamonds?
I fail to see how that's relevant.
Well, we're talking about setting up a shop and selling some items. We're talking about building land with our bare hands and only asking for diamonds in exchange. The Logfather, he came up with this idea, and we provided an amazing service for everyone, and now you're trying to pass it off as if we should just give away land? We built that land, didn't we, Ren?
Are you saying this was the Logfather's idea?
Everything we do is the Logfather's idea.
Your Honor, I would like to add, as a accused in this case, the Logfather.
Ooh, he might not want to.
I don't think he's going to be very happy about that. It's not a good idea, really.
Sure about the
Granted.
Dangerous. He'd probably kill you.
Yeah.
That has been granted. We are now adding the Logfather to the accused list.
Absurdities.
Do you have any objections, defense?
Well, only that you're all going to die.
I mean, the Logfather's not going to come here. He's in his palace right now. He's living it up.
This court comes to order. We will now recess and go on a field trip, a hermit field trip, to find the Logfather. So this now concludes. We will commence in recess after recess has been concluded with the Logfather's location. Come to order. As I place the powdered wig on my head, we are now back in session. Rendy Dog, xisumavoid, please show us the Logfather.
Okay, I don't know if this is a good idea though, Hermits. You're probably all going to die.
Oh, Ren, I need an axe.
Guys, this is the Logfeller. This is the Logfather after all.
Bailiff and Sheriff, please step forward to protect the other hermits.
He would be so mad if I didn't have
Thank you,
my
Sheriff
axe.
and Bailiff.
I don't like this place. I think it can be greener.
You're going to need much more than them to help you.
Ren, what's he saying?
I don't know.
Land is what happens when you are corrupt.
I'd quite like to apologise for my lengthy toilet.
you trample some trees?
Yeah, I kind of needed to
Who
go.
are
What's that,
these
Logfather?
filthy people?
Behold the power of the Logfather.
He's warning you all.
What the hell?
Stand back,
Get
stand
them
back.
away from
You want
me.
to get back?
What?
Kill them.
What is this insanity? Bring Logfather forward, please.
What are you guys laughing at? He's telling us to kill you. Should we do what he says?
Get these hermits
Should we
away
kill you,
from me.
Iscal? Is that what you want?
Look how cute
Murder
that
them.
You want a bit of murder, do you? Do you want some murder?
Kill them now.
Oh no, the Britain's gone
Do as I
mad.
say,
He's trying to
Logfellas.
with it.
Oh, we're free. We're free, Ren.
It's
The
a
Logfather
stupid
is dead.
rabbit.
The Logfather is dead, Ren. He's dead. Finally. Oh, thank you so much, Iscal.
I feel like
Order in the mobile court.
You guys been worried for a freaking rabbit. I could have adopted him and
He
put
was
him in
telling
a
us to
cage.
kill you all. You've saved us, Iscal. He wanted to blow up the server.
These guys are blaming their torture and stupidity on a rabbit.
You heard what he said. He told us to burn you. You heard it with your own ears.
These guys are clearly
I didn't hear
crazy.
anything.
It's
I didn't
clearly
hear
craziness.
You guys couldn't
anybody
hear
hear
the
anything?
Logfather.
I know.
I don't think.
I
I'm
didn't
just
order.
thinking, yeah.
Order in the court. Order in the mobile court. Order.
Oh,
Azuma Z Void,
yes.
Rendy Dog,
Yes, Judge.
you have been found guilty.
Guilty.
Under the influence of rabbit kind does not make you innocent of your crimes against the hermit people. You will now be placed into custody by Sheriff Falls, and you'll be taken to prison. Your shops will be shuttered. Your assets
the
seized.
shops.
And your diamonds will be taken to Hermit Treasury.
Diamonds.
Wasn't this Python?
Bailiff,
I guess
Sheriff?
this proves possession is 9/10 of the law.
Well,
Take these
go, guys.
to their
Keep moving.
prison.
Wasn't this Python guy involved in the
Well,
thing too?
hurry up.
It's
Okay,
not
go.
all bad, Ren. I mean, we don't have to listen to the Logfather anymore.
Yeah, we're free. Free at last, X. Free at last.
Controlled by a freaking rabbit, you fools.
Well in prison, we hope that you learn your lesson and remember never to conspire with rabbit kind.
Suckers!
Okay, guys, keep moving. Keep moving.
Ooh.
Get out of here.
This is for those
fools.
counterfeit diamonds.
The
You
shame.
wanted the carrot, but you're getting the
The
stick.
shame.
No funny business
Corrupted
going in here, guys.
lands.
So sorry, everyone. Who's the
sorry.
rabbit?
Please
Hop
forgive
along
us.
into your cell.
What's
it
the
like a man.
rabbit, you
Get in there.
fool?
Ren.
Ah, look at
Thanks.
you.
Not as
Suck it,
nice.
nerds. Sit in there forever. I'm
Azuma,
back.
Hello.
Rendog,
Yes,
Ow.
Judge.
you have been sentenced to one Minecraft update. And knowing our overlords above, this will be quite some time. I hope you've learned your lessons and maybe will be a good example for fellow hermits in the future. Do you have any final words, Rendi Dog or Azuma?
I just want to say I'm sorry, guys.
I'm sorry too, but Ren, maybe this is better than listening to the Logfella, you know? We got these comfy beds. Check
Yeah,
these
that's
bad
true.
boys out.
More
Bunk beds,
bits of
hello.
business before we go.
This is snazzy.
Oh, more business.
And
More
that is the
business?
corrupted sheriff and all of her corrupted dealings.
Yeah, I think you're
Sheriff?
confused.
Boo!
Sheriff,
Whoa, whoa,
you have
whoa,
now been
wait.
sentenced to one Minecraft life cycle.
Oh, okay. Well, I mean,
That was unexpected.
but I'm the
Take her
sheriff.
badge, take her sword into possession, and the bailiff will now be the temporary sheriff of Hermitcraft.
Yes.
Keep your boots.
Power.
Oh, you
That'll
get
last
that
like 3
story?
minutes.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
This
Oh,
court
so what
has
happened
now
against
ended
Chase?
session. Please clear the room. Please clear the room.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Avoid.
Listen to what
You'll
the
never
sheriff
show
has
your
to say.
face here again.
Get out of here.
Everybody up the staircase. Joe,
Whoops.
up the stairs.
Up.
Doc,
Move. Oh, you're the judge.
convincing
I think we
final
did pretty
business.
well.
Final
Pretty good,
business.
Wells. Good
Final
job, man.
business is being taken
Yeah,
place
we
here.
did all right.
Well done.
There's
And that
something fishy
concludes
going on.
the court battle.